Okay, I'm standing in the dining room and I'm just going to walk outside now onto the back patio without careening. So looking this way, here's one of the HVAC systems. There's a small area they were using for planting back here. There's a lot of foliage back here and it's all about dead now for the winter, but everything is on drip systems to keep it alive through the summer. So you can see there's a hose on that one too. So I'm going to walk back on the other side here. And this is the back patio area. So there are, as we now determined, 3 sets of glass doors and 1 regular door out onto the back. There's a shed back here as well. So this is the back of the garage, and then there's a shed here that's they were using for gardening, a gardening shed, and a fenced area, I guess, if you needed a quiet little dog run or something. So I'm going to try to break into the fence here. So this patio covers the whole back of the house, and it's really going to be difficult for me to explain here, but the property runs all the way up behind that mountain, behind that hill there, and it would be very easy. It's easier to see in person, and I'm not sure if I can catch it on my phone. I'll try to pause here, but I'm going to zoom in. There are some orange buckets that are out here. I think there's one about right there, and they run up the property line, and there's another one right over in there. So I don't know if you can zoom in on that. There's one, let me see if I can find it. Where did it go? There's one right there. So the orange buckets run up the side, but all of this land down here could easily be horse grazing or stables or whatever. We've got the guy 2 properties over is doing an almond orchard. He's on Almond Grove Lane because almonds grow really well. But you'll see on the map, I'll send you the Google Earth type image as well as the image from the county. And you can see that the property goes up the hill and over onto the back side of the hill. And on the back side of the hill, there's another road. So this is, and then it also goes, the property also goes up to the highway fence line. So I'm going to turn and go this way a little bit. And here's another set of the doors. We've got some of the foliage here. Here's another one of these watering buckets. And then they had a back patio area here, and I wanted to show you the other, there's the other unit for the HVAC. So that kind of gives you an idea of the back patio. Here's the door, and then the sliding glass doors from the second kitchen. And then looking back this way at the lot. Coming over this way, there is this whole area right here, and up front is kind of flat. And you could conceivably build something else up here as well. Over by where the edge of that green bush is, there's a whole flat area right there, and all of this is flat too. So anyway, this kind of gives you an idea of what we're looking at. Once again, this is really very nicely done in the summer. And everything is on self-waterers. All these great big buckets are on self-waterers. Okay, I'm going to stop this one here, and then I'll pick up in the garage.